what exactly is Apache ActiveMQ as part of this? Now, Apache MQ is one of the oldest and most widely used open source messaging brokers. It supports multiple protocols and it is designed for high performance and reliability. And this is where it is written in Java. It is a very old product. It is written in Java and it provides cross-language client support. It has many APIs for multiple clients that you could choose. And there are a variety of cross-language clients that are supported in protocols. AMQP is one of them. And the OpenWire is another protocol that is pretty much very used. Stomp is another one. MQTT is also one of the popular protocol that is very widely used. JMS is supported for compliance for features like message queues and publish subscribe messaging patterns. So it does adhere to the JMS message specification as well, which is the Java messaging service as well. There are robust features as what I mentioned. There is message persistence. It has KahaDB as the persistence model. There is a delivery guarantee at most once, or at least at once, or exactly once as well. Also, it provides transaction support as well. There are certain advanced features such as message groups, virtual destinations, and composite destinations. There is features for high availability, clustering, and persistence to ensure reliable message delivery. So with this, let me just show you how you can go about it. Then as part of this video, I won't go into the setup of the ActiveMQ, but let me show you how you can just quickly go and download ActiveMQ. So this is what you could do is you could come here and let me get to the Firefox. So this is the Apache ActiveMQ site where you can come in here and this is the URL. You could come in here and you could see the different versions out there for ActiveMQ. Now, Classic, if you see the name is Classic, it's kind of, now the new version is 6.10, but we have worked with organizations going back to the 5 version as well. So, but the 6.1 is the newer one out there, and Artemis is the one that's also another topic. It's a new architecture protocol, not architecture protocol, architecture setup compared to the classic one as well. So there are organizations using Artemis as well, but both have their own pros and cons. But the point is that you could come here, you could see the comparison also that they have done. This provides a good comparison, but also I have provided from my experience and our experience at Arina Technologies, how we have worked with customers. We have compiled that comparison, so it will be beneficial for you. But you could also come here. You could download the latest version out here, or you could come here and download the ones. It is a pretty simple setup. What I'll try to do, drop in your comment if you want to see the setup of how we can go about doing ActiveMQ setup. And I'll make a video on subsequent topic as well. But this is where what you could do, you could download the video, download the ActiveMQ out here. And do those things over here. So it's kind of a free thing. There's nothing for you to do. There's no sign up or anything required. Just you can download and check it out. So this is a site that you should be aware of, and for ActiveMQ at least. Artemis overview over here. Now, Artemis is a newer and high-performant multi-protocol message broker, and it is part of the ActiveMQ project itself. It is essentially designed to be the successor of ActiveMQ 5X with a focus on modern features and scalability. Now, how was the evolution from ActiveMQ? Essentially Artemis, it originated from the HornetQ code base, which was donated to the Apache ActiveMQ project. So it was HornetQ, which was donated. Artemis is essentially intended to be a more modern and feature-rich broker that was intended to address some of the architectural limitations of ActiveMQ 5X version. And this is where, this was the whole intent of Artemis, right? Essentially to provide the gaps that are there. And we'll cover the comparison that will provide more overview of what exactly the gaps were. Now, Artemis, like ActiveMQ also, it supports multiple protocols such as AMQP, MQTT, OpenWire, and Stomp, which makes it flexible for the different use cases that are out there. What it also provides is it does have data replication, shared storage, and the ability to define backup servers that can take over in the event of a primary server failure. Setting up clustering is a lot more simpler in Artemis compared to ActiveMQ. And as I said, right, there is support for advanced clustering capabilities and how it is going to be supported. Please like, subscribe, share the video. Please contact us for any of your cloud requirements or cloud consulting requirements. We have decades of experience in cloud, and we can definitely help your organization take the right step in cloud. With that, thank you and see you in the next video.